Hello everyone! Let's learn how to create speed effects in photos using Photoshop. So, open your image in Photoshop. Now, go to Select and choose Subject. Now, select any selection tool and then right-click and choose Layer via Copy option. Turn the subject layer off. Right-click on the subject layer and choose Select Pixels option. Select this layer. Go to Select, Modify, and Expand. Here, keep the value at 10 pixels and hit OK. Now, right-click and choose Delete and fill the selection. Turn the subject layer on. Ensure the bottom layer is selected. Now, go to Filter, Blur Gallery, and Path Blur. Now, create 3 paths in the direction of the speed you want to create, or simply follow my method like this. Keep the speed between 70 to 80. Once satisfied with the blur, hit OK. We are done here. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.